Welcome, in front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to insert SIM card into your laptop. To do it, take a look at the right edge of your laptop, and here you'll find the SIM card slot. Now to open it you'll need a pin like this. So what you have to do is insert it into this tiny hole and push it, and this way you will grab the SIM card slot. Now grab your SIM card and place it inside like this. Once you place it like this, insert it into your laptop carefully. Okay. And now, to check if your laptop can read the SIM card, the easiest way will be opening the control center by clicking on the three icons on your status bar, and then enabling cellular, clicking the arrow icon next to it, and as you can see, here is the SIM card that we inserted. Now to remove it, you can do this in the same way by grabbing a pin and inserting it into this tiny hole, pushing it inside, taking away the SIM card slot, getting rid of your SIM card, and then placing the SIM card slot back in to the laptop. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.